Many English learners find small words like in and at surprisingly tricky. Take this example. Should we say in school or at school? They sound similar, but only one is correct in most situations. Let's clear up that confusion once and for all. Welcome to the Prepositions of Place series. In this lesson, we'll focus on the word at, a short preposition that tells us about exact location. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use it naturally. Think of at as a map pin. It marks one specific point, not a whole area, just one exact location. Whenever you want to describe a precise spot, at is the preposition to choose. When we say at the bus stop, at the door, or at the station, we are naming a single fixed point where something happens. At gives focus to that exact spot. Imagine pointing with your finger to a dot on a map. That's what at does in speech. We use it for particular points like at home, at school, at the office, or at a party. Each phrase tells the listener where, not what's inside. He is waiting at the bus stop. He's not in the road and not on the bus. He's standing right where the bus will arrive. The preposition at marks that single waiting point. If I say, I'm at the cinema, it means I'm there. Maybe inside the hall, maybe near the entrance. The exact place is the cinema itself. At highlights the location, not the space around it. When I say let's meet at the restaurant, I'm giving a meeting point. We might sit inside later, but the focus right now is simply the place where we'll meet. Learners often mix up at, in, and on to understand at. It helps to see how these three words divide space in different ways. Here's the key idea. At marks a point. In refers to something enclosed or inside, and on describes a surface. Once you see it like this, choosing the right preposition becomes easy. Say I'm at the station. That means I'm there at the general point of the station. If I'm in the station, I'm inside the building. And if I'm on the platform, I'm standing on the surface where the train arrives. Each preposition paints a different picture. You'll hear at in many daily phrases. At home, at work, at school, at the door, at the table, at a party. Every one of them tells us the specific place of an action. Ravi is at school, his mother is at work, and his father is at the airport. Even without extra detail, each sentence clearly shows where the person is. That's the power of it. A common error is saying, he is in the bus stop. The correct form is, he is at the bus stop, because he's located at a point, not enclosed inside something. Another frequent mistake is, let's meet in the restaurant. Unless you mean sitting inside, the natural expression is, let's meet at the restaurant. At keeps the focus on the meeting spot. To remember it easily, think of at as your address point. Wherever the pin drops, that's where at belongs. Let's sum it up. Use at for a specific point, for public places such as school or work, and for events like a party or a meeting. It tells the listener exactly where something happens. That's everything you need to know about the preposition at. In the next episode, we'll move one step further and explore in, another small word that causes big confusion. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe and continue learning. See you in the next video.